After 60, muscle loss can accelerate fast. But what if reversing it was easier than you think? Imagine regaining the strength to lift groceries effortlessly, climb stairs without struggle, and feel more energized every day. No heavy lifting, no intense workouts, just one simple habit that activates your muscles naturally. Science shows that a small daily adjustment can trigger real strength gains, even if you haven't exercised in years. The best part? Anyone can do it at home starting today. Stay with me because this could change how you move, feel, and live. Tom, 68, had always found peace in his garden. Tending to his flowers, pruning the bushes, and carrying soil bags kept him active and connected to nature. But recently something changed. Lifting a simple watering can felt like a struggle. His legs wobbled when he stood too long, and even bending down to pull weeds left him winded. Frustration set in. Was this just aging, or was something deeper happening? The thought of losing his independence scared him. Then, one day, he stumbled upon a simple daily habit. At first it felt too easy to make a difference, but within just a few weeks, he noticed something remarkable. Standing up felt effortless, walking up the porch steps no longer left him breathless, and his hands felt steadier while tending his plants. His strength was returning, and all it took was a small but powerful shift in his daily routine. Curious about this simple habit? Keep watching, because it might just change your life too. And if you're finding this helpful, tap the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more ways to stay strong and independent after 60. The science behind muscle loss. After 60, aging brings wisdom, experience, and a lifetime of memories, but it also brings changes to the body, especially when it comes to muscle strength. After 60, something called sarcopenia sets in, a natural process where muscle mass declines by about 3% per year if nothing is done to prevent it. This loss isn't just about looking weaker. It directly affects balance, mobility, and independence. Everyday tasks, like carrying groceries, getting up from a chair, or walking upstairs, become noticeably harder. But here's the truth that many people don't realize. Muscle loss isn't just an unavoidable part of aging, it's something you can slow down, stop, and even reverse. Studies show that muscles remain highly responsive to activity. Even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, your body is designed to adapt. The key is knowing the right way to stimulate muscle growth without overexerting yourself or risking injury. Why does muscle loss happen? Muscles need constant stimulation to stay strong. As we age, three major things contribute to muscle decline. Less activity. Many seniors naturally move less than they used to. Without regular use, muscles shrink over time. Slower protein processing. The body becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle, meaning that even if you eat well, you may not be rebuilding muscle at the same rate as before. Nerve and hormone changes. Over time, the nervous system sends weaker signals to muscles, and hormone levels that support muscle strength, like testosterone and growth hormone, begin to decline. The result? A slow, steady weakening of the body, unless you take small, strategic actions to counteract it. The good news, you don't need hours in the gym or heavy lifting to regain strength. Even small, targeted movements can trigger powerful muscle growth. Think about this. A simple daily movement done correctly can reactivate muscle fibers that have been dormant for years. The body responds to effort, no matter how small. The trick is using the right technique, a method that works with your body, not against it. Even better, it's never too late to start. A 75-year-old who begins strength training can see noticeable muscle improvement in just a few weeks. This isn't theory, it's backed by science. The body constantly renews itself, and when given the right stimulus, it will rebuild strength at any age. Imagine waking up with more energy, climbing stairs with ease, and feeling stable and confident in every movement. The one daily habit that changes everything. If you've ever tried lifting weights or doing strength exercises but didn't see much progress, you're not alone. The secret isn't about lifting heavier or doing more reps, it's about how you lower the weight. This technique is called eccentric strength training, and it's one of the most effective ways to rebuild muscle, even after 60. Studies show that focusing on the lowering phase of a movement recruits more muscle fibers, leading to faster strength gains and better mobility. It's safe, easy to do at home, and requires no expensive equipment. Why does slowing down work so well? When you lower yourself into a chair or step down from a stair, your muscles are still working, just in a different way. Slowing down this phase forces your muscles to stay engaged longer, triggering deeper muscle activation and growth. It also strengthens the tendons and connective tissues, reducing the risk of falls or injuries. Even better, you don't need to spend hours exercising. Just a few controlled movements each day can bring noticeable improvements in your strength and balance within weeks. How to get started? Simple, eccentric exercises for seniors. The best part of this technique is that it works with everyday movements, so you can start improving your strength without making drastic changes to your routine. Try these simple exercises. 1. Chair squats, slow lowering. Sit on a sturdy chair with feet hip-width apart. Stand up normally. Slowly lower yourself back down over 5 seconds, keeping control until you sit fully. Repeat 5 to 10 times. How it helps: strengthens the legs, core, and improves balance, making it easier to get up from chairs or bed. 2. Wall push-ups, controlled descent. Stand facing a wall, placing your hands shoulder-width apart. Lean forward and lower your chest toward the wall in slow motion over 5 seconds. Push back to starting position, repeat 5 to 10 times. How it helps: strengthens the arms, shoulders, and chest, improving upper body endurance for lifting and carrying objects. 3. Step downs. Slow and controlled. Stand on a small step or sturdy platform. Step one foot down slowly over 5 seconds, keeping balance and control. Bring the other foot down and repeat on the other side. Perform 5 reps per leg. How it helps: builds stability, strengthens leg muscles, and improves coordination to prevent falls. Your muscles will thank you. The beauty of eccentric training is that it works with your body's natural mechanics, allowing you to gain strength quickly without strain. Even if you haven't exercised in years, this technique can help you feel steadier, move easier, and regain confidence in your body's ability. Try this today and let us know in the comments. Have you ever done slow lowering exercises before? What was your experience? Why does this work like magic for seniors? What makes eccentric training so powerful? Unlike regular exercises that focus on lifting, slowing down the lowering phase activates more muscle fibers, leading to faster strength gains. But there's more to it. Less joint strain. Traditional strength training can be tough on aging joints, but eccentric movements build muscle without putting extra stress on your knees, hips, or shoulders. Rebuild strength quickly. Even if you haven't exercised in years, your muscles are still capable of growth. Eccentric training reawakens dormant muscle fibers, helping you regain mobility without feeling sore or exhausted. Better balance and stability. By strengthening the tendons and core muscles, these exercises make everyday movements safer, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Your turn. Imagine moving with ease, lifting things without strain, and feeling as strong as you did at 40. How would that change your life? Let us know in the comments. Common mistakes and how to do it right. Eccentric training is simple, but like any habit, doing it the right way makes all the difference. Many seniors unknowingly make small mistakes that slow down their progress. Here's what to watch out for and how to fix it. Mistake number 1, rushing through movements the problem. Many people treat these exercises like regular workouts, moving too quickly and missing the real benefits. The fix, slow and controlled, is the key. The magic of eccentric training happens when you take your time lowering yourself down. Count 5 seconds as you lower in a chair squat or wall push-up. This forces your muscles to stay engaged longer, building deep strength without strain. Think of it like this. Imagine holding a heavy bag of groceries. If you drop it suddenly, everything inside gets tossed around. But if you set it down slowly, you stay in control. That's exactly what your muscles need. Mistake number 2, skipping it because it feels too easy. The problem: some seniors try these movements and think this isn't doing anything, so they stop before seeing results. The fix: that's the trick. It feels easy. but builds strength where you need it most. Eccentric training works deep within your muscles and tendons, even if it doesn't feel as intense as lifting weights. The real magic happens over time. Think of it like sharpening a knife. Each pass over the sharpening stone might seem small, but little by little it transforms a dull blade into something powerful. The same happens with your muscles. Stick with it and soon you'll notice. Standing up feels smoother, your legs feel steadier when walking, and lifting objects becomes easier. Mistake number 3, not being consistent. The problem is doing the exercises once or twice, then forgetting about them. The fix? Just 5 minutes a day can create real change. Muscle strength doesn't disappear overnight, and it doesn't rebuild overnight either. The key is consistency. Even short daily sessions will lead to noticeable improvements in how you move and feel. Think of it like watering a plant. One big splash won't do much, but a little bit every day leads to strong, healthy growth. Your muscles work the same way. Make it easy to stay consistent. Tie it to a habit you already do. Do slow chair squats after brushing your teeth. Set a reminder. A simple note saying, 5-minute strength boost can keep you on track. Celebrate small wins. Every time you get through a session, remind yourself, you're getting stronger. Your turn. Which one of these mistakes have you made? Let us know in the comments. How to make this a daily habit without failing. Starting a new habit is easy, but sticking with it? That's where most people struggle. The good news is you don't need willpower. You just need the right system. Here's how to make eccentric training a natural part of your day without feeling like it's a chore. Attach it to an existing routine. The problem. Many seniors struggle to remember new exercises because they're trying to fit them in somewhere random. The fix. Tie it to something you already do daily. This makes it automatic. Right after your morning coffee, do 3 slow chair squats before sitting down. Before brushing your teeth at night, try 5 slow wall push-ups. After watching the evening news, do step-downs from a small step. Think of it like this. You don't forget to brush your teeth, right? That's because it's part of your routine. Stack this habit onto something you already do, and it'll become second nature. Start small, really small. The problem, people get overwhelmed thinking they have to do a full workout, then they put it off and never start. The fix, even just 3 reps a day can make a difference. Day 1, do 1 controlled squat, that's it. Day 2, do 2. Day 3, do 3. By the end of the week, you'll have momentum and your body will thank you. Think of it like planting a seed. A single drop of water won't grow a tree, but small, consistent drops over time. That's how strength builds, without overwhelming yourself. Track your progress, the simple way. The problem? Without tracking, you don't see small wins, so it's easy to quit. The fix. Keep a simple calendar and mark each day you do it. Use a notebook and put a check mark every time you finish a session. Print a habit tracker and color in each completed day. Keep it where you'll see it, like on the fridge or next to your coffee mug. Think of it like crossing days off a calendar. Once you see a streak, you won't want to break it. Your turn. What's a small habit that helped you stay active? Share it in the comments. You don't have to accept weakness as part of aging. Every day you have the power to restore your strength and improve your health, starting with just one simple habit. In just a few minutes a day, you can move, feel, and live better than you ever thought possible. It's never too late to regain the energy and vitality you deserve. If this helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Let's spread the word and inspire others to take control of their health after 60. Together, we can live stronger, happier, and healthier lives.